So here's the problem from your notes. Let's go ahead and do it together. Again, I'm going to do both an area model, or sometimes this is called the box method. I don't really care what you call it, right? Names are names. And I want to do it with distribution. So a times 2a makes 2a squared. 3 times 2a makes 6a. A times 1 makes a. 3 times 1 makes 3. 2a squared plus a plus 6a plus 3 makes 2a squared plus 7a plus 3. Final answer right there. Let's do the same thing, but let's do it with distribution. I'm going to take the a. I'm going to take the a plus 3 and distribute it to the 2a. 2a times a plus 3. I'm going to take the a plus 3 and I'm going to distribute it to the 1. 1 times 2a plus 3. Excuse me, not 2a plus 3. That's a plus 3. Whoops. Hooray for catching my mistake for once. Let's go back. Zoop. Okay, so distribute the 2a gets us 2a squared plus 6a. 2a squared plus 6a. Distributing the 1, don't really need to do, but plus a plus 3. There's the a, there's the 3. Final answer, 2a squared plus 7a plus 3. And again, if you didn't get that one correct, make sure you ask, right? Stop here, ask a question, and make sure you understand it before you move to the next example. Because the next example is even more fun. We're multiplying a binomial by a trinomial and beyond. We can go beyond whatever we want here. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the same method, and we are going to apply it to a larger problem. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the example on this one. So here we have a trinomial being multiplied by a binomial. And remember the moral of the story. Every term in one polynomial multiplies every term in the other. I'm going to run out of space on this slide. Term in the other. We can do this with a box. We can do this through double distribution. It doesn't matter. We can do whatever we want. But let's do the distribution first. I'm going to take this trinomial, and I'm going to distribute it to the 4x. 4x times 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. And then I'm going to take that trinomial, and I'm going to distribute it to the negative 3. Negative 3 times 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. Now, notice that this is getting pretty calculation intensive, but that's okay. We just follow the rules, do all the calculations to the best of our ability. Let's keep going. We're going to distribute the 4x to everything inside that polynomial, that trinomial. 8x cubed, 4x times 2x squared is 8x cubed. Again, remember our rules, multiplying, add exponents. 4x times 5x plus 20x squared. 4x times negative 1, negative 4x. Now we do it with the negative 3. Negative 3 times 2x squared is negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times 5x is negative 15x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Now the last thing we should do is combine any like terms. Notice that we have x squareds to combine here and negative regular x's to combine there. So this is 8x cubed. Let's see, 20x minus 6x plus 14x squared. Minus 4x minus 15x minus 19x plus 3. Nothing else can be combined. Final solution. So that is with taking this whole trinomial and distributing it to each term in the binomial. Again, remember, every term in one polynomial multiplies every term in the other. Let's really quickly, or as quickly as we possibly can, go back to and do the box method for this one. That right there. So let's draw a box. 4x minus 3. And the reason why I show you both is because I really just want you to find a method you are comfortable with where you can organize the lots of numbers that you are multiplying together. I think the box method helps some people, and that's great. If you don't dig it, don't do it. All right, let's multiply everything in the boxes. 4x times 2x squared makes 8x cubed. 4x times 5x makes 20x squared. 4x times negative 1 makes negative 4x. Notice how this is really just like I'm distributing, right? It's just the same. It's just a different way of organizing it. Negative 3 times 2x squared is negative 6x squared. Negative 3 times 5x is negative 15x. And negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. So here we have 8x cubed. And then check out how my x squareds kind of like line up on there. So I'm just going to write down plus 14x squared. And then that makes negative 19x. And then finally plus 3. All right, I've got a problem like this on your notes for you to complete. Go ahead and go keep doing that. And then the next video will show you a solution. Plus, finally, our final problem, we're going to do something in context. So go ahead and see you in the next video.